You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone
Happy birthday, Zen! Dali rin yung change yung emotion na. I miss you. Sorry, wala ko itong kuhanin mo, despedida. Dapat dili man despedida ang tawag ito. Pero wala po ko kabalon sa tawag ito. So, sige, mag-greet na lang ko. I wish you I wish you the best. I wish you success, blessings, good health, happiness, and love. Yes, love. Yeah, amazing. And we love you, Zen, and we're here for you. Mwah.
Ito.
Pang picture
Hi,
ng
Zen.
buhay ngay.
Happy birthday! Sa tinood lang, Zen, ako'y kabalon sa akong iingon, Zen, so, ano na lang. I wish you all the best in life. Wish you all the love. Ako. Dapat, Zen, umigo ya puntada yun. Nga no, wala di. Dapat nakakadiri sa imong birthday. So, anyway, happy birthday again, and thank you sa tanan. O, wala na.
Happy birthday, Zen! Anang, happy birthday, ma'am. Kulang na kay ka. Happy dibo na lang, then. Wish you all the best. Good luck sa studies, and happy birthday!
But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know you feel, baby, you light up my world like nobody else.
Hi, happy birthday. Koan. 18 na ka, dahil tigulang na siya. Tas, simple ramang gift sa imo, pero I hope na happy ka kay you're one of the few people na I really will cherish bisan pagmamatay ng char. And kana, thank you for everything. Thank you kay gapaminaw ka sa akong, tas gakatawa ka sa akong joke na not so funny, tas paminaw ka sa akong mga problems na not so serious, pero naagad gapon ka diya. And sana di ka mag-change, and I hope that you'll be happy pati sa heart. And kabalo ka sa akong masabot, basta tanawa lang ang scrapbook. Tas sorry if na ako'y mga bad na nabuhat, pero basta salamat kayo sa tanan, and happy birthday, and God bless you and your family, and I love you, bye.
Happy birthday, Zen. Thank you sa friendship, and thank you that you're always there for me. And good luck sa studies, sa atong studies. Dayon, sana may mo kag professional photographer. Dayon, good luck sa inyo ni Jess. Ay, joke lang. Good luck sa life, love life. Good luck sa career. Sana ma-CPA ka, photographer. Ako ma-CPA. So, mura na. Thank you, and happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi Zen! Happy birthday! Gabi kaya ang pinagdaanan dyan ni mo video kanya. Higid sila sa kuha kay Sangilantan ko. Higid sila sa balay. Dayon. Hindi na dali yung birthday? 18? 18 naman siya ba? So, kuhan. Ano siya? Happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best. Tapos, mapuban-uban na punta sa college life na.
So I fell into your hands. I don't know where we'll end up, just going with the flow. Giving me love, 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 love. Giving me love, love, love.
I said, happy 18th birthday. So, do everything in life that makes you happy because that's your life. No one can take it from you. Only God. So, good luck on your studies. Have good health and wish you all the best in your life. Happy birthday.
Love, more than I ever need. Giving me love, 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 love. Your love's the permanent distraction, the perfect interaction. I feel it so extreme. Lost my appetite to eat. I barely get to sleep 'cause you're even in my dreams. And I thought that I was strong, but I knew that all along this was out of my control. So I fell into your hands and I don't know where we'll end up, just going with the flow. Giving me love, 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 love than I ever need. Giving me love, 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 more than I ever need. Giving me love, 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 love. Giving me love, 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 more than I ever need. Giving me
Kinsa na ba? Kinsa na?
Ikaw mag-iun lagi.
Ano ba ka malingon?
Ikaw mag-iun kay masukod si
Kinsa
Joshua.
na?
Reason!
Ah, wala na. Happy birthday na lang dyan.
We love you, we love you.
I love you, Zen.
We love you,
Mwah,
Zen.
mwah.
Mwah.
I love you. I love you.
Yan niya.
Sa makanan.
Tama.
War na. War na.
Hello, Zennifer, Zenny, Zen. 18 na ka. Welcome to Legality. Bitaw. Zen, thank you so much for everything. Even though nawala kita na-classmate and stuff, still you're a great friend to me. I wish you all the best in life, sa career, sa studies, sa family, and sa iyong love life. I just hope na you'll find your Prince Charming kung dili mo to si Jay. Sakto ba? Sa ilo ba ako Zen ha sa imong love of your life? Bitaw, chika rata soon. Sige Zen, murag dagan-dagan ko mag-message sa imo diri. Basta ka to. Happy, 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 happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay beautiful and God bless you. Much love, Chachi.
Happy birthday again! Happy birthday again!